Hey, beautiful soul. So, if your birthday is on any of these following dates, which is 1, 2, 4, 6, 10, 13, 14, 16, 17, 19, 20, 22, 25, 28, or 30, then expect this to come your way in the month of September 2025. We have the lovers at the bottom of the deck. So, clearly, there's something related to love, something related to alignment coming into your life, finally, some kind of harmony, unity. Let's see, we have Four of Swords, lovely. Three of Cups and Ten of Pentacles, absolutely wonderful. What this is trying to tell me is, first of all, the month of September is all about finally just taking that long needed stress and enjoying the fruits of your labor, celebrating with your loved ones, and finally having that sense of security. Also, if you've been working on something since quite some time, this could be in terms of your profession, job, or your business, or anything. Then September, you're going to get some kind of good news, which is going to bring that sense of, a sense of security that is coming your way in terms of some kind of wealth. There is some for some of you, it could be in terms of inheritance also. And for some of you, you may be, moving into this new era of your life wherein you will be beginning to start building something which will leave a legacy for generations to come. So September is that important month for you. But since you've been putting in a lot of effort so far, you are finally getting that time to relax and rest and to celebrate as well in the month of September. And celebrating is with your loved ones, which is the Lovers card as well. There is a sense of alignment and harmony also coming in. And for some of you, you could be getting engaged or married also. That could be that could also be possible, and that's why there's some celebration happening. You're taking that break after a long time. That could also be the case. But yes, September is beautiful for you, and I hope you really enjoy it. And yes, so I'll close my reading here. Good luck to all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.